A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the e-classes of Ambuja Public School. Today in our English class we will be doing the poem number 3, Little by Little, from your English textbook. The Little by Little poem is about an acorn in which it expresses how the leaves of the oak tree appear and the slender branches spread across far and wide until the mighty oak tree becomes the pride of the forest. The main idea of the poem is efforts give better results. Let us have a look at the meanings of some of the difficult words. The word acorn means an oak nut, or a fruit of oak with a single seed, which can be sown into the earth to get a new tree of oak. The word mossy means covered with moss. Moss is a small plant that grows in wet places. The word improving means to become better. Hidden means something which cannot be seen. Sipped means to drink slowly in small quantity. The word thread-like root means something which is very thin. The root is very thin like a thread. Sprang is the past tense of the word spring, which means to jump or move quickly. Shoot means a soft stem of the newly grown plant. Appear means to be seen or coming into sight. The word slender means very thin. Mighty means very strong and powerful. And the word pride means a feeling of respect, pleasure and satisfaction. Let us read the poem first. The title is Little by Little. Little by little an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little each day it grew, little by little it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread-like root, up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest's pride. Dear children, in this poem Little by Little, the poet is describing how an acorn improves and enhances itself over the years as it lies buried deep underneath the earth. As you know that all the seeds are buried under the earth for getting a sapling and converting it into a tree. A root of the plant grows downward, that means beneath the soil, and simultaneously, on the other hand, a shoot of the plant appears above the ground. Soon after that, the slender branches, slender means very thin and soft, of the tree spread across everywhere. In due course of time, the tiny seed grows into a mighty oak tree. In a similar fashion, just as an acorn symbolizes strength and potential, the poet is giving us a message through this that every child wants to grow up one fine day as a wise and intelligent individual, just like the mighty oak tree, which has grown into a strong tree which becomes the pride of the forest. So through this poem, the poet is relating that the importance of even the tiniest effort put in any work can work wonders. Through this poem, the poet is trying to focus our attention towards the fact that the process which helps in the growth of the high and tall trees like the oak tree just begins with a small effort of a tiny seed lying in a mossy bed of the soil. Now let us have a look at the new words that we have learned from this poem. The first word is slender, which means thin. Mighty means strong. Downwards means towards a lower level. Hidden means not to be seen. Sipped means drank something, taking in a very small amount. The rhyming words from the poem. As you know that rhyming words are those words which have a similar end sound. So some of the rhyming words from the poem are said, bed, day, away, grew, dew, root, shoot, ear, appear, wide and pride. The summary of the poem is that how the acorn grows from a tiny seed that is lying deep underneath the ground into a mighty big tree. We also learned that how it enhances itself through its continuous efforts of growth, and it also symbolizes the strength and potential. As already told you that the central idea of the poem is to focus on the simple and continuous hard work put behind great work. Something which looks huge and big stands on the base of numerous and united little efforts. Dear children, through this poem, the poet is trying to tell us that little efforts put continuously makes the happening of great work a successful one. This means if you work hard continuously without giving up, you will definitely achieve success in your life. There will be nothing that will stop you from getting whatever you dream for. This poem also teaches us a moral that the harder we work with patience, the more luck we have. Good things happens when we work sincerely towards achieving it. So dear children, if you want to achieve success in any of your field, may it be sports, your academics, or any other field of interest where you want to reach the great height, there you should work for it patiently and continuously without giving up. Never ever give up due to the obstacles. Always focus on your aim, and always remember that if you will put sincere efforts to anything you do, you will definitely come out with flying colors. So this is all for today. I hope all of you have understood the poem well. We'll meet you soon with the explanation of next chapter. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you.